అంటే ఇలా సెట్ చేసుకున్నావు కదా.
So actually you can use this one, so the old one only. So you can use like a this link. You can go for So let us create the manage life cycle. So it was the pending. So let us create sequence number 1, and I am taking AMD. AMD and phase we can go for the design, approve production or production. Okay. So let me go for the design first. The combination of life cycle is already exists. Then let me go for, I think yesterday we created with the design, so let me go for production. Okay, then save and close. So let me create the item class. So item classes, manage item classes. So we can create item classes. AMD item class. Then save and close. And you can set here item class. Okay, so you will get it here, item class. And let us go to the product information management, and we can create items. product information management. Here in the product management, we have the product information management. So how you will get is, so we assign two roles. One is inventory and the other one is warehouse. So warehouse related. So inventory and BU with BU plus BU. Inventory manager or like that. So plus BU warehouse manager like that. So based on the roles, we are getting all these things. So product information management. Click on product information management. So here if you go to the work list, so here the task and work list. So here you can see all the tasks. Okay, so item management, create, item manage, item browse, create, pack. So all related to items and data governance, data consolidation. Okay. So first let us go to create an item. Just click on create item. Organization. So 001. So actually our organization, so we create our inventory organization. So because of this server issue, we lost our data. So I'm using the seeded data, seeded Oracle data, 001 organization. So the organization 001 percentage. Okay. So I think ours is aimed right because I think we don't have our data. So yeah, okay. Anyhow, let me take the item. So actually ours the seeded data is 001, but I am not able to query this. Otherwise, let me go for creation of this inventory org. For that, we need to create all the steps. We need to create all the steps, location, and everything. We need to create business unit, location, and everything. We need to create exactly for that. Please give me 2 minutes. I will check the data, the seeded data. Actually, the ordination is 001 only. 001 only. Just for testing purpose, let me take any other organization. So we'll create. Okay, we are not getting. So let me create one inventory org, and we can use that. One 1001. So because of this Oracle data issue, so we need to repeat again and again. AMD location, then save it. Save and submit. So then let us create a business unit. So we'll click create, and then we can use that our own. Manage business unit. Click on business unit. AMD business unit. Okay, so location, so we just created AMD location. We can assign that AMD location. Click on OK, and the common sets. So this is the common set, and just assign a common sets. Click on OK, then save and close. Next, we need to assign our business function. Business function for which whether we are doing receivables, inventory, so like that we need to assign that. Yeah, for this what we can do is we can directly select. So let me select directly. So here you can select. So assign business unit to business function. Yeah, assign business unit to business function. Okay, because so this permission is so given to finance offering. So just click on select. So here what you can do is you can select and add and click on apply because we already created. So select and add. Click on apply and go to task. So here we can select AMD and save and close. So now we can select related to. So let me select all. So then we can use this one. Maybe we don't know how long. So Oracle will provide this data. Yes, they are erasing on weekly basis. So ours is US1 CS primary ledger. So otherwise, what you can do is you can search it. Yeah, US primary ledger. Click on OK. So then save and close. Save and close because I had taken for all. So this business unit, you can use this business unit for any kind of so for any kind of implementation, order management, so for all inventory, purchasing for all, verify data row generation. So let me go to the setup and maintenance. So now you can verify the data row generation. Verify data row generation for business unit. It will go for so APM application operation policy manager. So here I need to go for the so here it's a warehouse. You can go for inventory and warehouse. Inventory templates and warehouse templates also. So role template, inventory, yeah, inventory management. Just open here. Then you can generate the roles. And in the same way, so let us go for warehouse. Warehouse. So do we have any issue with that? Warehouse is the same, right? Spelling also same only. Okay, no issues. So okay, usually it will generate automatically. So I'm just rechecking to check that. So now what I can say, I don't. So I'm not creating a new user because I will assign to this user only. Okay. So let me go to the create implementation. So create implementation users. So here we can assign this user. Click on administration. So otherwise we can create new users. It's not a problem. So it will not take much more time. Okay, let me take our user. So AMD user. Otherwise AMD IMPL. Let me take AMD IMPL. AMD implementation like IMPL. So manager we don't require. So let me go for the organization. So user. So I'm taking employee. So if you want to take manager, then you can go for the this one, the Kelvin Roth. So Kelvin Roth also you can select. So he's in Kelvin Roth is the procurement manager. So I can select it. So now the user is AMD, IMPN. Then you can go for the password. So I'm taking CLOUD cloud 2020. So then save it. So then you can assign the roles. Click on the roles. Click on assign. So I need to assign the employee role. Okay. Then need to assign implementation consultant. So implementation consultant. So then assign IT security manager. Okay, IT security manager. So now let me assign these things warehouse. So now we are working on my inventory. So inventory INV AMD, because one role will be generated for IND AMD. Yeah, inventory manager, right? Inventory manager. So it should be AMD. Yeah, you can select it. So this is not generated. It's not generated. For this, what we need to check is we need to check whether so the mapping between US primary ledger and also uh, go to the setups. Then go to the financials, and here see the assign. So assign legalities. So here some other legality is there. So I want to just go for TM rapid. So let me go for the select and add. Let me go for the yes legality. US primary ledger. Then save and close. Now save and close. Okay. So now it is assigned. Yes, we are in CS primary ledger, and we assigned the ledger into ledger mapping. So now let me go to the identity manager. So let me refresh and try to assign the new role. Assign. So inventory manager. Go for inventory manager. So there are different roles. Ours is the AMD. So let me check, is there any role related to AMD? Yeah, we have the AMD business accounts payable, bills, in order management, all these things. But billing, expense, financial, order entry also, order memory, we have that. But we don't have for the inventory. So let me go to the entitlement. Select W related. There are different templates. This is inventory template, inventory management, inventory. You can click on open and generate roles. Let me check for warehouse. Here in inventory itself, we have the warehouse, I think. So we don't have separately. So warehouse operator, inventory manager, warehouse manager, like that. Let us go to the summary. So here I didn't find any invalid roles. All are valid roles only. Let me try. Sometimes it happens like this. So, okay, so we'll get all the roles at a time, but sometimes so it will be delayed. We have AR, pricing, order management, the billing, and we have for all. But we can't create item organization without that. So let me try that. Okay. So let me go to the item organization. Setup and maintenance. Manage item organization. Okay, manage item organization. So just click on create. So here I am taking AMD item arc. So here manage business location. We take the AMD location. Just go to the next level. Here item organization. AMD item organization one. Business unit, you can take a business unit, AMD business unit. So now I'm going to create manage inventory organization because already we defined all these things. So just I'm defining for AMD. Okay. And created this one. So AMD. So inventory arc 002. So here you need to give the schedule. So the schedule I can take the regular schedule and item master organization. So I can take AMD inventory arc. Okay, I can go for the AMD inventory arc and starting this. 1, and let me go for the mandatory fields. Here starting serial number, I will take 1000. So this uniqueness, no uniqueness controls. Then item source details. We don't have any mandate fields here. Then save. Yeah, you can save and close. Okay. So now verify data role generation for inventory. Okay. So this we need to run this one. So then only the data roles will be generated for this. Verify data role generation for inventory organization manufacturing. So now we can go for the inventory. So now you can go for the inventory. So then role template, just click on select. So just you can click on open here, and you can just generate, because automatically the system will generate all the roles. So we can recheck. So now I want to assign inventory related roles. Let me check now. AMD inventory AMD. Still I'm not. So we have completed all the setups, because this one mapping we had given. So yes, primary radius to this one, and location. Okay, let me log out and log in with our user. Then we can check that. We will log out. So here AMD IMPL, AMD IMPL. So this I'm doing Oracle 2020. Oh, Cloud 2020. Yeah, it's Cloud 2020. So Oracle ORACL 2020. ORACL 2020. And submit. So here it is AMD IMPL Oracle 2020. So now let me go to the create implementation user. So now I can see that administration. So I can check AMD, IMPL. Here is the user. Just double click on that. Controls. Now I want to assign AMD related. Yeah, now I think we got it. You can see that, right? AMD inventory arc. Okay. Inventory AMD. Yeah. AMD inventory 002. So at the same time, so let me go for the warehouse. Let me check. Yeah, here you can see that warehouse manager. So then we can add it. Fine. Now, so now I am able to create and I am able to create inventory arc. Okay. So let me go for sub inventory. Then we can go ahead with our setups. So today objective is we need to create item at least. So tomorrow we can go ahead with our other stuff with our own AMD manage in sub inventory because we need to have at least one sub inventory to create the item. So here organization. So organization I can go for AMD inventory arc. So which we created now. AMD inventory arc. Just click on OK. And here so click on create. So AMD sub inventory. So that is fine. So we don't need other active. That's fine. This is fine for that. Save and close. Fine. So if you want, so we can create others. So as per our usage. So this is fine. So we created the okay. Unit of measure is not a mandatory field. So now we created life cycle, but it is not. It is a core only. It is not related to specific to inventory arc. Let me check it. Yeah, it's a core setup. Yeah, so it is not specific to this one. So manage item class also. So it's not specific to inventory arc. So now let me go for the item. Okay, it's not specific to inventory arc. Now let me go for the item. So I want to create item. So then we'll continue for other stuff tomorrow. So product information management. Okay. I am so I had added inventory and warehouse. That's why I am able to get the product management here. So these roles. Otherwise I can't get. So now let me go to the work list. Here you can see the create item. Click on create item. So just want to create item. So ours is AMD. So let me check it. Yeah, AMD inventory arc. Okay, fine. Item class. Let me check AMD item class. AMD item class is not there. You just create that, right? You are not getting item class. Okay, no problem. So let me select it. Setup and minus. So we'll create item today. So we can go for the product procurement and manage item classes. We manage item classes. Yeah, we have item class here, but we are not able to get there, right? Let me create one more item class. Creation is not a problem, but it is not activated. Okay, so let me select this one. Action, create. Okay, so just define, but it is not yet created, I think. So it's action, create. It is different. So let me create. So parent item class, AMD item class, save and close. So this one is a child. Okay, the child also, I think we need to give the item management. Enable new item request, security, templates and format. Yeah, let me assign our own organization here. So AMD item. So here because organization is not associated, so let me go for the AMD. Yeah, AMD or item organization. Okay. Click on OK. Life cycle pages. We can go for the design, and also here you can also select the AMD. We already created AMD cycle. You can select it, AMD cycle, and paste and discharge goods not required. transactions not required security, it's predefined. And okay, so only some people only so they can do that only. So you can use person, this person only can do like that. Item class. Want to create, you can create that. Okay, group or person. The person is AMD IMPF. He is the user. So now he can log in. Here he is able to log in. Let me do AMD search. We are giving AMD internet. And let me give this one as well. So AMD IMPF. AMD search. And we are going org, right? So let me go 0. So here also templates formats. Here also let me give 0. We had different two, right? 002. Click on OK. Click on OK. Then save and close. Because we defined the item, but we have not mapped between the item mark. So we have not mapped with item mark. That's fine. Okay. So otherwise it's a default. So you can also use this one as well. Root item class. It's a kind of a default one. So you can also update here. You can also update in the root item class as well. This is automated. There are so many different item classes are there. You can you can define that. So now let me check. So just it will take for just 2 minutes only to create the item. So we can log off today. Then tomorrow we can connect with other topics. So create item. So now I want to go for the item organization. AMD item organization. Okay. So now you can see, you can check AMD search. Search it. I'm not able to get. So just give me just 1 minute. So I will update to other item class. So if it is not, then definitely so we can go for tomorrow. So item class is the main thing. So to define the item. Okay. So here item management security. Here I just want to add add the person AMD IMPN. AMD IMPN. Yeah, we have 2 minutes. Fine. Okay, so security plan. So template and formats. So let me use for you must enter a new template name. Then save and close. So let me try to check the item class, otherwise I will check tomorrow. Create item. You can go to AMD item or item class. So let me check with AMD. Okay. You are able to, okay, not able to get, okay. I don't want to waste your time, so we'll check tomorrow. We'll get back to you. So we'll check tomorrow and we can proceed with other setups. We have some other setups, so we can complete all the setups. Yeah. Thanks for joining. And I will share this game.
Thank you.
Yeah, I will share this. I just shared you, right? This mega. We'll share you the link, and also we'll send a mail how to log in for that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. That'll be good. Yeah. Thanks.